everybody, today I wanted to show you a amazing deal which from Creative Fabrica, and this is a very short video, so it will introduce you to a free clip art bundle, and it is called the September clip art huge bundle. So you can see it is free for next 20 days, so you can get this bundle from Creative Fabrica. Follow the link in the description and you can see there are many amazing clip arts which are part of this bundle. I really like this one, which shows all autumn designs, fall designs. You can see pumpkins, sunflowers, so you can use this clip arts to make your fall clip arts, for example t-shirts, tote bags. And here I really like this one, autumn croquet bow clip art. So this style of bow is really it's in these days, so they are putting it everywhere. So it is available for you in this bundle, so click the link in the description. This bundle is available for free, and you will save a lot of money and time because all the graphics included are very high quality. So thank you very much, see you in the next video.